everyone! Long time no see. So today we are going to have a special guest, Fuzail.
Hello.
And he's going to show us how to make a chicken dum biryani. It is a truly authentic recipe that involves quite a number of steps, but it is going to be amazing. So Fuzail, can you tell me about the different steps you need to go through to prepare this dish?
Okay, so the first step which we will be taking is we will be preparing the marinade first. For the marinade, we'll use a couple of spices and then we'll mix these spices with chicken. Okay, so the spices are red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt, some fresh yogurt, saffron milk, whole spices. In the whole spices we'll have star anise, cinnamon stick, cardamom, peppercorns, cloves and bay leaves, some ghee, coriander leaves and mint leaves, fried shallots and ginger garlic paste. The first step. So the first step is to saute all the spices for the marinade. So what we will do, we'll pour some ghee in the pan and then the first step is to put the whole spices in and saute the spices until they are fragrant. So we'll go with chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, some garam masala, some salt, and we'll saute all these masala for some time. We'll put some yogurt as well. At this stage we will add some saffron milk. We'll use half of it and we'll save half for garnishing. Keep stirring the masala. Our marinade mixture is now ready. We can see the ghee is almost fully separated from the spices. At this stage we'll switch off the flame and we'll let the masala cool for around 3 to 4 minutes until we mix the chicken in it. Masala is cooled off completely. We'll add our chicken in the masala. We are using combination of drumsticks and chicken thighs which are boneless. You can use bones as well. Mix all your masala and chicken. Use some coriander. We'll put half for the marinade and we'll use rest for the garnishing, and some mint leaves as well. We can leave some for the garnishing. We will add fried shallots in the marinade and then we will add some freshly pounded ginger garlic paste. Okay, so now the second step is to half cook the rice. So what I have done is that I have boiled 16 cups of water. So in that I'll add some ghee so that my rice doesn't stick to each other, and 3 green chilies. So we'll mix all of that and let it boil, and then we'll put our rice in this. Soaked rice in the boiling water. So now that our rice is half cooked, so just pick one rice and try to break it, and I can see it's easily breaking up. Okay, now it's time to layer the rice and the meat together. So we'll put some dry shallots, and this is our soaked rice which we boiled, and we'll keep making the layer of the rice. Make sure you spread it evenly. Chopped coriander. So we have to spread the ghee as well. And we again do the same step. We put the rice. Coriander. So as we kept half of the saffron milk, we'll use it here. Some rose water. Okay, so now we have to create the dum. I'll seal this vessel so that the steam stays in there and it helps biryani cook. It's been 45 minutes now, and we'll open how our biryani looks. We'll mix this. So the chicken comes up here.